Hi guys, my name is Callista and today I'm going to be making unicorn poop slime. So these are what you can use: beads, glitter, and color. So we also need glue, baking soda, contact solution, and bowls.
And make sure that your contact solution has boric acid in it or it won't work.
And stuff to stir.
All right, what do we need first?
First we put glue in.
How much?
Half a cup.
You don't need to measure that one.
Just put it all in until it's full.
Do that over the bowl.
Okay, I think that's full. Then pour the rest in there.
Put it in the bowl.
Food got on me.
You use the stir sticks to help you scoop it out of there.
I'm going to be using the stir stick to scoop it out. With lots and lots of glue.
You got most of it?
I got most of it. I can't see the rest because it's clear.
Okay. Put that in the other bowl because Pandora's going to use it for hers. Okay. And then what do we do?
Put baking soda in.
How much?
1 tablespoon.
Half.
Half a tablespoon. Let's put that down. That enough?
Yeah.
Then we put it in.
Okay. You're putting too much. Okay.
Then I'll stir it. Let's use this new one. Time to put the beads, the glitter, and the food coloring. So I'm going to do the green. 2 drops.
Maybe 3. And then stir. There you go.
So now I need to put the lid on.
Put it down.
And stir. What do you?
Add a tablespoon
Add
of contact solution.
Tablespoon of contact solution.
Pandora, add your color.
The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole tablespoon.
All?
Yeah. Okay, now stir again.
There's lots of stirring. I'm going to use this.
You only need a couple drops. Okay.
Whoa! It is turning sticky.
You know what you forgot?
We forgot the glitter. And since
Right.
it's unicorns.
Here. Stir.
Can I stir with my hands? I'll stir with my hands.
Go ahead.
Yay! Time to stir with my hands. Time to stir it with my hands. There you go. I'm just going to put it right there. Oh, it's turning into slime. Cool. It is turning actually into slime. See? Oh.
Put on.
slime. Look at this slime. So cool. I'm gonna mix it in the air. Oh, I will kind of need some help with the beads because it's unicorn slime.
How's yours, Pandora?
Oh, it's fine. This is mine.
Is it sticky?
Mm-hmm. Now I can get it off this.
Well, use your hands.
Fine.
Put some beads in.
I don't get on my nail polish. I just nailed. Oh yeah, that's really sticky. One is gonna have no beads and one is going to have beads. I said one is going to have beads. Look at this! At this unicorn poop slime. Came out so cool. See? Look at guys, you can see all the beads. Bye guys, I can't move. I need to stay here.